If you really, really want to practice self-empathy and empathy towards your children, I would say sign up to this course, do this course because you really have, at least for me, I had immediate effect at the moment itself. So I did the course Nonviolent Communication with Children with Marije Roos. It contributed in my life. If I would say it really shortly, I feel really connected with my son. And I notice I'm able to hold space for his anger, rage, sadness. I notice I have more patience than I had before the course, more compassion and empathy. And also, and I think that's also one of the biggest things that I take with me that really, yeah, has contributed is that I have, it's the talk towards myself. There is less negative self-talk. The course was structured like this, that in the beginning of the course, we talked about our self-talk. If my son is, let's say, being annoying or I'm being triggered or I feel that I'm triggered and I react in a way that I'm not happy, then I immediately have these self-judgments. And that is like fuel on top of my triggers. So getting into that cycle of, judging him, judging myself, judging him, judging myself. If I try to really understand myself, like what is underneath these judgments, what is the beautiful need behind it, I soften up immediately within a few seconds if I really connect with those needs. These are things that I've read and you hear it and you see it in courses and you do it in courses, but it really helps. It's not just a theory. It really
Yep.
does help. Again, what I love about this course is that it's not a theoretical course. We're practicing MVC, we're practicing self-empathy inwards and outwards. With nonviolent communication or empathy in general, the more you practice it, and also the more you practice it in a role play and in non real life situations, the more it actually does have an effect in real life situations. So, what I really appreciate about Marije Roos, the trainer, is the authenticity and the vulnerability that she brings into the course. Like, she really talks about herself and shares her shares her life or things that has happened in her life, but also in the present moment. Yeah, that makes her, for me, I feel immediately connected. Like, okay, this is a real person like me. Like when I signed up, I thought, oh shit, but now everybody's gonna know that I'm the most horrible mom there is. Yeah, that just helps me to also be soft to myself and it helps me to connect with her. I love also how she explains the theory, let's say theory quite clear, but I can see it's not just a theory, it's really something she lives and she really believes in it. And I also really loved how she really made sure there was a lot of space for practice. We had a lot of practice with each other, connection with each other, and role playing. And she was there. Yeah, I really recommend her courses. Empathy is something to keep practicing, to keep practicing, to keep doing, to keep practicing. And it is really helpful to keep doing courses. And, in a way, it might not matter if it's a course for adults or for kids. It's the same empathy muscle that you train in different, let's say, different angles, different shapes. But it is different to know that you're connecting with other parents and that you're going through the same experiences. And that helps you to at least, I softened up into how I talk with myself as a mother and to understand I'm not alone. There are topics that we touch upon that are really, really specific for children. And I think one of the things for me also was great to have a reminder again. Why am I not, I know why I didn't want to use submission or, like rewards or punishments, but be able to again to like talk about that subject and like understand it again. Like, oh yes, that's why I didn't want to do that. It was great because sometimes in society, as if you're one of the only ones doing it, it's hard. You start to have self-doubt, like, really, shouldn't I sometimes use punishment? Shouldn't I be harder? Shouldn't I have more boundaries and he should have more respect for me, etc., etc. And then to be again in contact with other parents that also made a choice, a conscious choice to not use it, it gave me support in how I want to raise my child. That is definitely specific for this course, yeah. So I'm doing this course on one hand, for me as a mommy to be a better mommy towards myself and towards you and to be sweeter and to find more kindness and softness and sweetness towards me and towards you. But I also think, it's not only me and him, it's more and more and more, like it's how can we find more softness in this world? How can we connect with each other and find more softness and open our hearts? And it starts with how do I talk to myself?